Thank you for buying this 15263 door stoppers from Fixture Displays. The measurements of individual piece are 4.5 inches by 2 inches and the height is up to 1.2 inches. This is reasonably lightweight. All four together is less than 3/4 of a pound. But it is reasonably substantial. The way these are tapered up to 1.2 inches give you a pretty healthy range of most type of doors for residential buildings or commercial buildings. This works for just about any surface: carpet, hardwood floor, concrete, epoxy, tiles. The way this is properly tapered allow you to stop any door in any orientation. This won't scratch your flooring, and it's designed so that it's hollow. Have a very decent wall thickness though. The hollow design is a smart design in that it gives a little bit when in contact with your door under pressure, that it can cave in a little bit versus causing damage to your doors. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.